This is page 268. Let's look at section 1. Section 1 says write the sums, add the ones first, that means the ones column, then add the tens column. Be sure to add the numbers in the carrying box, and that's what this is. And I'll explain what that means in just a few minutes. Before we do these problems, I want to review place value with you, and I think that might help you to understand how we're carrying the 1. All right, so any number between 0 and 9 is a one-digit number, and only one-digit numbers are allowed to go in each place. So these are 9 ones blocks. 9 ones blocks could go in the ones place because any number up to 9 is allowed. But if I got another one, that would be 10 and it would not be allowed. So what I would have to do is put these 10 ones blocks into a group of 1 tens block. So now these no longer exist because they become this one group of 10. So this 1 tens block represents the digit 1. And since I don't have anything in the ones place, we're going to put a 0. Now that is the number 10, but the tens block, all of it goes into the tens place. So we have 0 in the ones place and one group of 10 in the tens place, and that's the number 10. And that's what we're going to do with all of these. Okay? So when we add 46 plus 24, it's easier to add in columns. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. And since 10 is a two-digit number and it's not allowed in the ones place, what we do is bundle it up and put it in a ones tens group and then put 0 in the ones place. Now when we add, we can start with the large numbers first and then add the small numbers to it. That makes it a lot easier. And remember, it doesn't matter the order that you add your numbers. You're going to come up with the same number. So 4 plus 2 equals 6, and 6 plus 1 equals 7. So 46 plus 24 equals 70. Now again, we're going to start with the ones place. 6 plus 4 equals 10. And since 10 is a two-digit number, we have to group it into a ones tens block and put it in the tens place. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Put it over here, and that leaves me with 0 in the ones place. 7 plus 1 equals 8, and 8 plus 1 equals 9. So 74 plus 16 equals 90. Now let's look at this one in the ones place. 7 plus 3 equals 10. So I'm going to put the group of 1, 10 in the tens place. That leaves me with 0 in the ones place. 5 plus 3 equals 8, and 8 plus 1 equals 9. 53 plus 37 equals 90. 22 plus 38. I'm going to add the ones column first. 8 plus 2 equals 10. We're going to put the tens group in there in the tens place, and that leaves me with 0 in the ones place. 3 plus 2 equals 5, and 5 plus 1 equals 6. So 22 plus 38 equals 60.